and this. That's the essence of it. And then the essence, and be like that, bang, 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 bang. This is that.
No.
Because it's very long, and you would be able to block it with your left hand if you will not use your footwork. You should no footwork.
After you block it,
Yeah. No, I can no longer strike because you're using your footwork properly already. And if I'm going to hold this one, so that I was striking like that, footwork, bang, footwork. See? The proper uses of footwork will help you a lot.
So we are not just shifting the.
That's also shifting of weight and footwork. It will help you a lot, especially with the guidance of your left hand. So combine it all makes you a complete escrimador already. For me, for me.